Today, we have created Mac's self-reliant city. The theme of this project is to show sustainable development. In this model, we are trying to show how to manage resources, how to use them sustainably. In this city, everything is generated from the resources available within the area. Nothing is taken from outside. The first section of our model shows the generation of electricity with hydroelectric power plant. Here, as you can see that from the mountains, the snow melts. And from that snow, hydroelectric power plant generates electricity. The electricity generated from water and from the solar panels attached in the second section, the electricity is combined and transferred to the transformer. From this transformer, the electricity is used for domestic uses. Now, coming on to the second part, this is the residential area of the city. In this, we are trying to show that people come to the park for cycling. The electricity is generated from cycling and is used for street lights and is also stored in the battery. Then we have reared cattle for milk and dairy needs of the residents. And from the cow dung, we make fuel for domestic uses with the help of biogas plant. Now, you might be thinking, what about all the waste generated? So let me tell you, we dispose the waste into the factory. Now you might be thinking it would pollute the environment, but no. We have attached air filters in the factory, which cleans the air, which filters the air, and non-toxic smoke is released from the factory. Now, coming on to the third part. This is the agricultural section of the model. Here, we have shown hybrid techniques of raising crops, such as multiple cropping, crop rotation, green manure, use of compost, etc. The waste generated from here is decomposed into the chimney and finally disposed in the waste disposal. The crops we have shown are chickpeas, spinach, mustard, and wheat. Thank you and have a wonderful day.